Hey everyone, welcome back. In a previous video, someone asked how this would run outside, and since it's a nice day, I figured I'd come outside and give it a good thrashing on some of the different surfaces that we have around my property. It goes pretty well, but I do push it to its limits, and in the end something explodes. So stick around and we'll have a look. So that's an end to my fun for today. I guess the day went out with a bang, didn't it? Anyway, I'm not quite sure what's broken yet. I'll have to diagnose it later on and try and fix it. But anyway, it went pretty well on most of the surfaces, I'd say. On the level ground, it was fine. On the grass and even the gravel, it went pretty well. It did okay climbing up the sand dune. It did struggle climbing up the hills, like the one behind me. I think it's because the motors just don't have enough torque to climb up the steep inclines. Even on the slope behind me, it does slow down quite a bit as it goes up there. So I might try some different motors eventually. The ones it comes with are 350 RPM, so I might try and bring that down, try and reduce the RPM and try and increase the torque. So I'll do that at some point. Yeah, it's not too bad for a $100 tank chassis kit. It's the Xiaor Geek tank. I'll put a link to that down below if you want to go and have a look at buying one of these. But yeah, I'm pretty happy so far. I've just got to be careful with pushing it too far and rolling it, I suppose. I'm surprised I didn't damage anything on top. But yeah, thanks for watching. And let me go and fix this and we'll have another video maybe in a few weeks. It might take me a while.